Hey guys, what is going on? I am Dr. Linz, and today we're going to be reviewing a Fabletics outfit, with which this outfit is going to be January. So I'll be reviewing a Fabletics outfit one time a month because I've been getting a lot of requests to do so. So here we go. But before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video, give it a comment below so you never miss another helpful video. All right, so I'm gonna link up this exact outfit in my bio so you know what I am talking about, because I know Fabletics has a lot of stuff. And I will say, so far with my experience with Fabletics, I have really enjoyed their clothing as far as working out or more of a lounge outfit, which is what I have going on right now. So I do have a seamless bra under here, which I'll show you here in a moment. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my favorite part of this outfit, which is their crop sweatshirt here. Okay, so I like this because I love my longer crops. It's not like a super short crop where it's like all the way up here. It's a nice crop top sweatshirt. And then also it has a mock neck collar here, which I really like that because you can kind of pop it without it looking silly with popping that collar, you know what I mean? And then also you can zip it up, zip it down like you would a half zip hoodie. Okay, so that's my favorite item here. The length here is perfect. The thickness, it's not too heavy, which I like it because this will be great for spring, fall, and you can also wear it during the winter, or if you do have like cooler summer nights. I mean, it's so versatile, and that's why I really enjoy it. I really do. This is a size small. Everything in this outfit is a size small. Okay, so let's go ahead and move down to the leggings. I am very picky about my leggings, okay? If you know me, you know I'm picky about them. I love me some Lululemon, but I have enjoyed Fabletics leggings. Now, these ones here are going to be seamless, and they are also going to be ribbed, just like my bra that I have on right now. So you have a little bit of texture here, which is fun for the winter time, fall time, and this color, y'all, is beautiful. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you. This is like a higher waist legging. I am sure I'm 5'3", 5'2", so it does come up mid-section of my waist. The booty makes it look nice. I do like how it fits me back here in the glute region, and then my legs too, with having bigger legs, they do fit well. One thing I will say with being shorter, all of their leggings are long on me, so I literally take the legging and I just roll it under. And that's what I usually do with most, you like that little kick, with most leggings that are too long, unless they're Lululemon, because you can go and get those sized. I do just roll it up, and you can't even tell. Like, you can't even tell the legging. So that's something I do. I don't mind. Now, with the legging, I will say I've noticed, same with the bra, because it's like the same material, that it is stretching out a little bit as I've worn them. Again, these are size small, so I've noticed the band is getting a little bit loose around here. So for sure, I would say it fits true to size there. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to move on to the bra. Okay, this is me being pretty vulnerable because this is a minimal support bra, and so I really want to show you how it fits someone with a bigger chest. Okay, so no crazy transition here, but I have my bra on, which I had under my sweatshirt, mind you. So it was very comfortable under my sweatshirt. I could go out and about and I'd feel comfortable wearing this bra. I'm a 34, 36D, so I do have a bigger chest. This is a minimal support bra. This is low impact. This, if you have a chest, this isn't meant for a lot of jumping. So you can see here, again, it's ribbed. It is longer at the bottom, which again, I enjoy because then it's like kind of like a crop. The one thing I really think this bra is cute, and sometimes I wish I didn't have as big of a chest, is that this really scoops down far in the back, and I really like that with this bra. So I'm very excited though to have this because I'm going to wear it around the house on the weekends or after I'm done with work. You don't really want to be wearing a bra, but you want something there to support you if you have a bigger chest. And then also I feel comfortable with wearing it under a sweatshirt and like going to the grocery store or even a family gathering, because it's just a very nice, just like comfortable support with that. So there you have it. There is my review of my Fabletics outfit. If you guys have any questions, please drop it below in the comments. Again, I will link up this outfit for you so you can take a look-see for yourself. But let me know if you like this video below. Give it a like, subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. Until next time, peace and love.